Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. As you know, if you want to play your audio or video files, you have to install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. So by using VLC Media Player, you can easily access your audio files or you can watch your videos by using VLC Media Player. In this video, I will show you how you can install VLC Media Player in your computer or laptop. So let's get started and let's see how we can install VLC Media Player. So first of all, click on the executable file and the first window you will see here will be the language in which you want to install VLC Media Player. So default language is English, so you can choose any other language of your choice, but I will leave it as English and then click on OK. And then here I am just going to click on the next button. And here you can read the license terms and conditions. And if you agree with those license terms and conditions, click on the next and just leave everything as default here. And then click on next. And this will be the location where VLC Media Player will be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. If you want to download VLC Media Player, please check video description. I will share with you a link from where you can easily download VLC Media Player. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just click on the install button. It will take a few seconds to install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. So I will wait for the installation to complete. So now I can see that this VLC Media Player icon has been created on my desktop, and I can also see that the VLC Media Player setup has been successfully finished. So just leave this as checked and then click on finish, which is going to launch the VLC Media Player. And now you can use VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. This is how you can install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos.